In this video, we are going to be learning how to automatically delete junk mail on AOL. So make sure you watch the video until the very end in order to find out how. Before beginning, let me tell you that AOL Mail doesn't offer an option to automatically delete email directly designated as junk. However, there are two workarounds you can follow in order to achieve the similar effect. The first method is by utilizing the spam folder auto-deletion. Open the AOL Mail application from your device and make sure to log into your account. Simply go ahead and select the email that you'd like to move to junk. Simply tap open the email and click on the three dots where it says More at the bottom right-hand corner. Click on Mark as Spam. Once you send an unwanted email to the spam folder, AOL will now automatically delete emails in the spam folder after 30 days. This will now help you manage storage space and remove potential threats after a reasonable holding period. Similarly, you can also move the email to your trash folder. From the AOL mailbox, go ahead and open up an email you'd like to move to trash. Now click on the delete button appearing at the bottom left and you will then be able to delete the email. Similar to the spam folder, AOL automatically deletes email in the trash folder after 7 days. This will ensure emails you intentionally delete don't occupy space indefinitely. So those were some of the ways you can delete junk email on AOL. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.